What is going on, guys? It is Wednesday, May 25th. We're sending out Mini Bike Syndicate's full roller build that we made for him. That's gonna be getting shipped out this week, crated up. He's putting the final touches on it right now. Key point of today is getting organized. We have so many parts and pieces everywhere. We got some totes, cleaning up the shop. We just need to get organized so that whenever we do these builds, we need parts and pieces, we just go pick them. If you guys didn't see in yesterday's video, we were doing a mini trike giveaway. Every piece of merch on our website right now is gonna be worth 10 entries. We're gonna be running this to June 15th at 9 p.m. So make sure you guys go get a piece of merch and get entered into the giveaway.
What's going on there, guy?
Ready to crush the day?
I crushed the day before I even woke up this morning.
Dang, pulling a Steve.
Put a pot on.
Oh yeah. Oh, you going fresh cup.
Which I did, damn, that looks sweet. Oh yeah.
You lick that?
About right. Yep.
Thanks, Steve.
I think Ben should got a 2-stroke.
Give him one of these. Give him one of those.
I feel like these are almost like playing cards. Like, you know, gotta collect them.
They're
all.
collectibles.
So let's concentrate here. Freaking mission.
What's
focus.
going on today, Ben?
Big cleanup day. Getting the sled taken down yonder. You got a lot of work to do with all this organizing. All these parts just came in. So pretty much I'm gonna get this sled, go rip it.
Man, that freaking sled takes up a lot of room.
I got this before we had all those frame orders that we gotta just build. Man, this thing is freaking huge.
You're good. You're good. You look like you're good. Oh boy.
Oh,
What
I thought
happened?
I was good.
What happened? You're good. Hopefully it doesn't just fall off there.
It's going to.
Oh, big sled guy. This is the thumbnail.
Kill switch.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Holy shit! Dude, you're flying!
Pretty nasty, man.
Let me take that thing for a rip.
Just give her some head. It's gonna rip the shit out of it.
This thing's fast.
What do you think?
It like hits the power band and freaking.
She's a ripper, man.
That's insane.
Give her another rip.
It's insane that you just give her the go button and she just goes.
Take her for a rip, Steve. Don't wreck it, wild man.
He knows what he's doing on that thing. I don't know where he's going.
You gotta have fun at work, man.
Oh man. Holy shit! He's not stopping!
He's on the gravel. Shut her down.
We just see you come flying. We're all running out of the way. Try not to get aced.
Oh, did you see up there? I was like,
Oh yeah.
did he just go through the gravel with my good skis? I think he did not disappoint. Ooh, my heart's still.
Oh, let's put that on a mini trike.
I kept hearing something. I go, who's out like using a commercial sweeper or something? I kept hearing, I'm like, I'm trying to pipe in here.
So I'm pulling this thing, Dave. Pulling. Apparently had the kill switch on. Oh, had the kill switch on again.
Are you kidding me?
There's so many kills.
Oh, she's tight. Go fit. Yeah.
There you go.
Like I've done that before.
Come on.
First time.
Nowhere.
How did this even happen?
So I'm out east and I'm delivering our other product, but also that trike to our friend. And I sit down for a nice meal, start talking to this gentleman beside me, a beverage company that competes with Red Bull. So he tells me that their recipe has been hand-tuned, it's way better for you health-wise, tastier, and they're out of Pennsylvania. So he gives me his son Paul's number. I get with Paul, couldn't have been any cooler. Dave, next time you're out, bring the truck, trailer, we'll load you up with goods. But until then, I'll get you a case or two over for the boys. Consider it done. Electric Monkey. That's happening. And then I brokered a deal too with Wild Willie Fragrance
Ooh.
fuel smells.
Are we gonna be a dealer of that?
Already are.
Oh, nice.
Already got a dealer order placed.
Well, I know you got something squirrely whenever it takes that long and you start saying roll cheddar.
Oh,
What?
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 It's like an Easter egg hunt. What? I got another 2-pack up my office I gotta go get out of my way.
In stock up at,
NC.
People are gonna lose their minds.
Thanks, Harbor Freight, for sending us these.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror.
I didn't even notice that till now. Holy, that's a lot of motors.
What are you talking about? We got those yesterday.
Nah.
Ah, it's good.
I literally opened up the back of the FedEx truck and was like, man, he's dropping a lot of ghosts to different people today. And I was like, how many of these are these
Check the board
ours?
number.
He goes, oh no, all 14 of these are yours.
730, 730.
Is it just like you just like randomly get a good one?
Yeah.
Really?
They literally like.
It's
I
like the
walked-
same part number.
I-
that
Really?
on the
Yep.
website.
And one time I went in and bought 2 from them for a project, and grabbed just 2 boxes right off the shelf, and one was a Hemi and one wasn't.
What do you think, Steve?
120.
120. 171.
No, right?
193. Ah,
Close.
what? 6 pounds off.
187.
Yeah, because just the bike itself, I think, weighed 124.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a regularly
Well,
stocked
you just
item.
stock everything.
That's right.
Guy stocks freaking ghosts, regular predators.
Oh yeah.
It's like an avalanche. You freaking.
freak!
Oh
When
my
you come over
lord.
here, we just got
Wow.
stacked.
Yeah, yeah.
We got so many brake rotors, they look like clutch pads.
But the question
You
is,
see-
how do they taste?
You see in these sleeves? We got more sleeves here than freaking.
It's a lot of sleeves. Now go and enter the giveaway.
Bang.
Sign up for these carts. Don't be dog dirt. Just get a cart.
Hoosiers.
Which we'll have to keep track of that because those guys like to just not tell you anything about your order.